Hi everyone, it's Terry with Terry's O-Gauge Trains. Well, a box arrived from eBay today. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video. This is a Marx 21 diesel set, 2A units, one powered, one dummy. The description on these said that the A unit, the powered unit, does not have a headlight in it. The headlight mount had been removed, so I know it's not going to have a headlight right now. But one thing I did like about it was it had both unit, the A power and the dummy, both have their horns, which is, if anyone's looked on eBay for these, the plastic air horns are usually missing, broken off. That's because it doesn't take much to break them off. Just a little bit of side pressure and they snap. So the fact they had both was really nice. So let's get this open and see what we got. Well, it looks like it's been packed very well. Lots of bubble wrap. I'll save that for later. Get the first one out here. I can tell just by the weight, this is the A unit. Over there. Okay, and we'll set that on the track. And we'll get the B unit now. That was just my nephew coming in. The A unit, excuse me, it's not a B unit. Here is the dummy. Look at that. Huge. Yes, they are quite huge. These would be the largest locomotives I have in my collection. Let me get this box out of the way, and I'll move the camera over so you can get a better look at them. There they are. This is the power unit. As you see, they have both horns, although the one horn has actually, it looks like these horns actually are not the original horns. They've been replaced. Looks like they were handmade. The same with this. Yeah, the horns apparently were carved out of wood and then put on, but they don't look too bad, as you see that. Now, he said there is a slight dimple in the roof where somebody tried to use too large a screw to put the roof motor in, but you really can't tell looking at it. But overall, touch-up paint was used, but overall, I would say some play wear, some scratches. They have both their it has both all the covers on the wheels, the side covers. Overall, I would rate them as, let's push them back here, good to fair. So what I think I'm going to do is take the power unit over to the workbench. I'll pause this and see if we see what it does. Okay, we're back on the test bench. I got the locomotive down there, and we're going to see what it does. There's forward. Runs a little bit. And nothing. Let's check it if it's on the track. Everything's on the track. Let's see what's going on. There's forward. I'm going to hit the camera. E unit's sticking a little. There's the reverse. Forward. The E unit sticks a little. I'll have to probably work on that. So I will have to do that. So let me shoot some. Okay, I gave the WD-40 treatment to the E unit, and we'll see if that helps it. There we go, reverse, forward, reverse, forward. Okay, so that's going to probably do it for this video. Obviously, I'm going to have to do some cleaning. There is a little cosmetic issues, but, you know, for what I got, you can expect that. On the front there, you see where somebody attempted to touch up the paint on the silver. Nothing I can't cover up with a little bit of judicious weathering. I'll bring it down here where you can see it closer. If you look down there, you can see it right here on the front. Not much I can do about that. Like I said, weathering will cover that up. I'm going to get this cleaned up. Take the motor out, clean it up, lube it. As I said, I haven't done anything to it, just a little bit of oil on the output shaft and on the armature. And some WD-40 units. So I'm going to work with it for the next couple of days and see if we'll be back with probably more follow-up videos on it. And then we'll get it on the track and see if it can pull a consist. So thank you for watching. As I said, I'll bring the dummy over and you can get a better look at that. So, sorry for the focus, but there, sorry for my hand in the way, but there is the A unit and the dummy. The dummy has got a bent up rear coupler here on the front, which I'm going to have to do some work to straighten that out. Other than that, it seems to be in pretty good shape. So, like I said, I'll get these cleaned up and get them on the track and see you in the next video.